In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug code with Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean conversation, share the right details, and get focused, actionable help on your bug. First, log into Claude AI. Use a modern browser and a stable internet connection so your session doesn't time out mid-debug. Once you're in, you're ready to start a focused troubleshooting session. Keep your project files handy so you can quickly reference the exact snippet that's failing. Next, open a new chat. A fresh chat keeps the conversation centered on a single issue, which helps Claude maintain tight context and avoids confusion with previous topics. Think of this as your dedicated debugging room for this one problem. Now paste the code you want to debug. Before you paste, sanitize it. Remove any secrets such as API keys, access tokens, and personal identifiers. If your codebase is large, isolate the smallest reproducible example, the minimal function or block that demonstrates the bug. This makes it easier for Claude to spot the issue and propose a fix. Right after the code, clearly describe the error or unexpected behavior. Include the exact error message or stack trace if you have one, and say what you expected to happen versus what actually happened. Mention the programming language and, if relevant, versions of the runtime or frameworks. For example, Python 3.11 with a specific library version or Node with a certain package. If the bug appears only with certain inputs, provide a short sample input and the output you got. Also note any environment details that might matter, like operating system or database engine, especially if the issue seems platform specific. When your prompt is ready, send it. You can phrase your request in a way that guides the response, such as asking for a step-by-step explanation of the root cause and a minimal fix, or requesting both a quick patch and a more robust long-term solution. If you want annotated code, say so. If performance or readability is a priority, mention that as well. After you send, Claude will analyze your snippet, point out likely failure points, and propose code changes or alternative approaches. If the explanation includes concepts you're not familiar with, ask for plain language clarification within the same thread to keep context intact. And if the issue involves multiple layers, like a front-end call, a back-end endpoint, and a database query, make that explicit in your message so the analysis considers the full path. That's all it takes. Log in, start a fresh chat, paste a clean, minimal snippet with a clear description and language, then send your prompt. Follow these guidelines and you'll get precise, useful debugging help fast.